Looking for something quick and delicious? Well, today we're making brick chicken with roasted potatoes. Let's cook. All right, so the first thing we are going to need is a spatchcocked chicken. Now, spatchcock is just a fancy term we use for butterflying your chicken. Sometimes you can find these already done for you in the grocery store, but I'm going to show you how to do it at home. Now, turn your bird over to where the back is facing you, so on its breast, and we're going to take a sharp pair of kitchen shears. You can also use a super sharp knife, and then you're just going to cut down one side of the backbone. Now this takes a little bit of pressure. Once you've cut one side, flip that bird over and you're going to cut down the other side of the backbone. And there you have it. I'm going to save this for later, so when I make some chicken stock. Now you want to turn your bird on to so that the breast is facing you. You want to take the palm of your hand, press down firmly so that you break that breastplate in there and flatten out your chicken as much as you can, and that's how you spatchcock a chicken. Super easy to do. Now guys, here I just have a simple mixture of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we are just going to spread that over our chicken. Make sure that you've coated it really well. Massage those seasonings into your bird. Show it some love. We're gonna flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. And once you have that all done, your bird is ready to go in the pan. Okay, so before we actually start cooking, there's a reason why we call this chicken under a brick or brick chicken. And that's because back in the day, we literally used to wrap a actual brick or a couple of bricks in foil, place them on top of the chicken so that it weighs the surface of the chicken down and you get a nice, crispy, evenly colored skin. Well, I don't have a bunch of bricks laying around, y'all, so I'm gonna show you what you can use. Now, I like to use either my cast iron Dutch oven, or I can double up a couple of cast iron pans, or if you just happen to have a metal 10-pound weight laying around, you can use that baby too. What you wanna make sure that you do, whatever you're using, make sure that you wrap it in foil so that it protects your chicken. So I'm going to take some vegetable oil and heat it up in a pan over medium-high heat. Swirl that around, making sure that the pan is coated evenly. And then once my oil is hot, I'm going to place my chicken in the pan. I'm going to press it down, making sure that I'm getting maximum surface contact. And then I'm going to place my Dutch oven over the chicken. Now after about 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and check on it, making sure that the chicken is browning evenly. Now if you need to adjust your heat or turn the chicken, make sure that you do that because you don't want it to burn. I'm going to continue to let this cook for 15 minutes, checking on it every 5 minutes until everything browns evenly. Now while the chicken cooks, I'm going to take some small red potatoes that I've washed and cut in half lengthwise and season them with some kosher salt, black pepper, and fresh thyme. Get that all mixed together well and set it to the side. Now we're going to make our sauce by combining fresh thyme, lemon juice, minced garlic, chili pepper flakes, and vegetable oil. Mix that together with a whisk or a spoon and set it to the side. Once your chicken has browned for about 15 minutes, carefully remove it from your skillet and place it on a flat pan or cookie sheet and turn it over. And you can see by weighing your chicken down, you've now developed that beautiful brown color. That's exactly what you want.
Now we're just going to add our seasoned potatoes to our skillet. Go ahead and turn all of those over so that the surface can come in contact with that nice schmaltz from the chicken, and that will develop a beautiful brown crust on our potatoes. Now you just want to gently place your chicken on top of your potatoes. Cover that with that delicious sauce that we made. I like to take a brush and spread it out to make sure that it's all over my chicken. And then we're just gonna pop this in a preheated 450 degree oven. Let this roast for 30 to 35 minutes or until your white meat reaches 165 degrees and your thigh meat reaches at least 175 degrees. And once it's all done, your chicken should be beautiful and golden brown, just like this.
All right guys, and we are all done. Chicken is beautifully done. I want to show you something. Look, our potatoes have become nice and caramelized there because they have been cooking in that nice schmaltz from that chicken. I want to give it a little bit of a taste. Make sure that you are subscribed before you go and that you've hit that notification bell so that you know every time we upload a video. Oh my God. Go cook this tonight or tomorrow. Don't wait. This is so good. Now guys, you see I've added a little bit of lemon. Make sure everybody gets a slice of lemon to squeeze on top of their chicken. It really heightens that flavor profile and it makes a big difference. Now all of the ingredients are listed down below. The full recipe is on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. Until I see you again, make sure that you are being good to yourselves and get in the kitchen and make yourself something delightful and delicious. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.